Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna talking about the assignment I completed during this semester. This slide introduces the Google Trends analysis. I compared ASOP, Laneige and Shiseido in this Australian market over time. This slide shows key insights from the analysis. Premium and natural skincare is growing rapidly and K-beauty has increased strongly since 2019. This slide focuses on Swarovski, that is positioned as a premium luxury crystal brand. The brand emphasizes elegance, craftsmanship, and emotional value rather than functional benefits. This slide presents the consumer persona. It represents the brand's target customer, including lifestyle, values, and buying behavior. The persona helps marketers understand customer needs and communicate more effectively. This slide focuses on practical brand definition through product selection. The product is a low-cost term bought from platforms like Alibaba and AliExpress. The original customer types low-budget buyers who focus on the price and basic function rather than brand identity or emotional value. This slide explains how emotional value can justify a higher price by adding personalization, comfort features, and gift lifestyle packaging. The product gains emotional meaning. This slide applies the Mecca model and Schwartz value system. It shows that consumers value self-direction, comfort, security, and efficiency. This slide focuses on the second target audience, the comfort-driven experience seeker. This audience values comfort, ease of use, and enjoyable low-effort experience. The taglines highlight emotional benefits such as enjoyment, achievement, and stress-free cleaning. This slide presents the weather sentiment analysis. The results show a mostly neutral tone with a very slight positive sentiment. This indicates the message is factual and functional with minimal emotional bias. This slide compares positive and negative emotional posts using weather analysis. The positive post shows a strong positive sentiment linked to comfort and satisfaction. This slide explains the frame of reference using Vladimir Zelensky as an example. Public reception is highly divided with both strong positive and negative sentiment. This shows how leadership reputation is shaped by context, events, and ongoing geopolitical situations. This slide presents the cognitive map and problem sentiment for Vladimir Zelensky. It shows both positive leadership such as resistance and hard work and negative concerns like war, fatigue, and trust declines. This slide outlines the quantified objectives and repositioning strategies. It sets clear targets to improve positive sentiment, trust, and leadership credibility over next 6 to 12 months. This slide presents the package assignment. The product targets children aged 4 to 8 and their parents, using clean colors and transparent border to communicate freshness and safety. This slide compares the old and new packaging using the V model. The new package improves visibility, information clarity, emotional appeal, and workability. Overall, it creates a more child-friendly and parents-trusted design compared to the old package. This slide shows the eye tracking result from the gaze recorder heat map. Viewers mainly focus on the brand name, product name, and health claim followed by the cartoon character. This slide presents the fish model comparison between MacBook and Lenovo. MacBook has a higher total aptitude score due to strong design, brand reputation, and performance. This slide summarizes sentiment data collected from Reddit discussion. Both Lenovo and MacBook show mostly positive sentiment with around half province positive. This slide explains Fishbane calculation and key recommendation. MacBook has a much higher attitude score than Lenovo, showing stronger overall consumer perception. Thank you for watching my video.